How to fix Microsoft Teams error 0xCAA82EE7 in Windows. A stable internet connection is essential for Microsoft Teams to connect to its servers. Ensuring your network is reliable can prevent errors like 0xCAA82EE7. Wait till the process is finished and apply the recommended fixes. Reboot your computer. If that didn't work, incorrect date and time settings can interfere with Microsoft Teams' ability to establish a secure connection. Pick the Internet Time tab and select Change Settings. Make sure that the Synchronize with an Internet Time Server box is ticked. Click Update Now and OK. If that didn't work, misconfigured DNS settings can block Microsoft Teams from accessing its servers. Switching to a more reliable DNS server may resolve this. Set your DNS to Google's preferred DNS, 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS, 8.8.4.4. If that didn't work, open Run. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Delete all content in this folder. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.